What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little vlog. Today me and my family are going out, so I thought it would be fun to do a little vlog and you guys can get a glimpse into my life. It is a beautiful summer Saturday morning and I was like, why not make a video about this? Why not turn this into a little vlog? So that's what we're going to be doing today. This first part of the video is just going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my makeup and chit-chatting with you guys for a little bit. Actually just had breakfast. I had some grapes. I love grapes, I love fruit, and I also had some yogurt. It was amazing. It was chef's kiss. This is a primer I'm gonna be using, and guys, I'm literally so happy that like it's summer. Like school was just getting too much for me. There was so much testing. It's June now, but back in May the school testing was just too much, and now I can just chill and relax and make videos. Also guys, since it is summer, I feel like I have to talk about how ridiculous the weather is. Since I live in Florida, you guys know this, how hot it's been has been ridiculous. Feels like I'm being fried alive when I walk outside. That foundation that I use is this Lumi Matte Super Stay 30-hour foundation. Let me know if you guys like this kind of like chit chat conversational type thing. It's really fun to like not stress out over doing like a whole makeup video. I have my base done, but now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for my eye look. So I want to do like some like silver and black, something like that. So now the makeup is done and I'm going to go ahead and put on my outfit. Guys, here is the full look. Got my makeup on, put my hair down, and look at this outfit. This is serving. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna jump into the next part of the vlog. Alright guys, I'm in the car now and I'm on the way to the arts market. If you guys don't know what this arts market is that I'm talking about, basically there's a lot of food vendors, a lot of stuff you can buy out there, and it's supposed to be really cool, and I haven't been before, so I'm really excited to go today. Hopefully there's gonna be a lot of exciting stuff there. There's supposed to be like music there, there's supposed to be like live entertainment there, so let's hope that it's worthwhile. I'm actually a little bit scared it might rain because the clouds are looking pretty dark. Guys, I'm here with my family. So far it looks really fun out here. I haven't been here before, so I'm really excited to come out here. So guys, I just met this talented artist at the Riverside Arts Market. This is her Instagram. This art is so beautiful, guys.
Thank you,
thank you so much. This stuff is so cool, guys. So this is Bundt Cakes, and look at these amazing cakes, guys. This looks so good.
Oh, thank you.
Okay guys, there's a bunch of different food trucks out here. We're gonna get one and then we're gonna sit down and eat somewhere. Beautiful art. This place is so talented, guys. So guys, I just met a guy. His name was Chris Weld, and he makes these awesome books, guys. I just got a bookmark from him. He makes awesome kids books. I just went by his stand. I'm loving everything that I'm finding here today. It's a bunch of talent, a bunch of amazing stories here. We are about to sit down and eat because it is getting pretty hot outside. Guys, look what I got. Funnel cake. Hey, I'm about to eat this up. I'm about to turn back. We just stumbled upon the biggest tree I have ever seen. This thing is huge. Look at all of its branches. Guys, we're now leaving the arts market. This was so much fun. I met a ton of super cool people. Check out everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.